Babylon and I work them iniquity. Lies and deceptions is not my cup of tea. So them who a worship Babylon and work them iniquity. Watch it! Cause as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, me mother and me father I'm on respect. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, Jah guide thy right and Jah guide thy left. Lies and deception is not my cup of tea. So tell them and those who want worship Babylon, me now run down them vanity. Yes, lies and deceptions is not my cup of tea. It's time to legalize this thing. It's internationally. Backway with them folly, them fi backway with them folly. Backway with them folly tonight. Backway with them folly. Backway with them folly roads, man. Your chalice you feel like. Make them backway with them folly. Backway with them folly. Backway with them folly tonight. Backway with them folly. Them fi backway with them folly roads, man. Your chalice feel like. Lies and deceptions is not my cup of tea. So tell them and those who are worship Babylon, me now run down them vanity. Why? Lies and deceptions is not my cup of tea. So tell Babylon them to back off with them iniquity. Be free, be free, be free. Elevate your mind with me. Be free, be free, be free. Elevate your heart with me. Yes, be free, be free, be free. Elevate your soul with me. Be free, be free, be free. Spread love around humanity, because lies and deceptions, it's not my cup of tea. So them and those who are worship Babylon and I work them iniquity.